Getting unlimited traffic to your website is a common goal for many website owners. While the term unlimited traffic may not be entirely achievable, there are several strategies to significantly increase traffic to your website. Here are some proven methods. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your website for search engines is one of the best ways to generate traffic. By improving your website's visibility in search engine results, you can attract organic traffic from users searching for relevant content. 2. Social media marketing. Leveraging social media platforms is another effective way to drive traffic to your website. Engaging with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest can help you attract visitors to your site. 3. Email marketing. Building an email list and implementing email marketing campaigns can be a powerful method to drive traffic to your website. By offering valuable content and promotions to your subscribers, you can direct traffic to your site. 4. Content marketing. Creating high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience can attract organic traffic and encourage repeat visits to your website. Content such as blog posts, videos, and infographics can be shared across various channels to drive traffic. 5. Utilizing AI tools. Artificial intelligence, AI tools can assist in optimizing your website for search engines and social media marketing, ultimately helping you attract more visitors to your site. While achieving unlimited traffic may not be entirely feasible, implementing a combination of these strategies can significantly increase the traffic to your website and help you reach a broader audience. If you have specific preferences or goals for driving traffic to your website, feel free to share more details for personalized recommendations. I will show you, in a step-by-step fashion, how to get unlimited visitors from several different methods, more than 20, also from secret websites, for a fast boost of your traffic, Google ranking, and sales. Link in description.